Hello, the students of Standard 10. Once again, I am here with this History Chapter 3, the Nationalism in India. Up till now, we have gone through how, after the First World War, a sense of feeling, nationalism, feeling of nationalism, nationhood, has created in the mind of all the Indians against only one enemy, that is British. At that time, a new leader, emerges in our country who has went to South Africa for study, and there he has agitated against the apartheid black and white fight with a new theory, with a new equipment that is called Satyagraha. So Mahatma Gandhi returned to India. Who was that leader? Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1915. As you know, he had come from South Africa, where he had successfully fought the racist regime, racial discrimination, that is, racist regime, racial discrimination, discrimination in the name of color, with a noble method of agitation, which is called Satyagraha. So, Satyagraha is a noble method of agitation which take part, means which support truth and non-violence. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and need to search for truth. So Mahatma Gandhi came with a new equipment, that is Satyagraha. So he advocated a unique method of Satyagraha, which was a method of resistance based on truth and non-violence. He successfully started this Satyagraha from a village called Champaran in Bihar. Why? Because in Champaran, Bihar, the farmers were forced to do the forced to cultivate crop by the Britishers. What crop? Which crop? The crop which was against the crop which gives less profit, plantation crops. So नील की खेती. So this crop required maximum labor and profit was very less. So in 1917, he organized a satyagraha to support the peasant of Kheda also. Kheda is in the district of Gujarat, where the farmers were affected due to the crop failure and plague epidemic. Plague is also a disease just like corona, where once it has been in, once it comes, it vacant the whole village. If a member of a family is affected by plague, the full family will not even touch that person, just like corona. So it has created a very great panic in the Kheda district. Crop failure, how they will give taxes, but British government, they force the people to pay taxes. So there the satyagraha started. But it was this satyagraha was started in Champaran, in Bihar, against the oppressive plantation system. But it also after that started in 1917 in Kheda district of Gujarat for not paying revenue due to the crop failure and the plague epidemic. So in 1918, Mahatma Gandhi went to Ahmedabad to organize a satyagraha movement amongst the cotton mill workers. So Satyagraha was started in 1915 with the coming up of Mahatma Gandhi. Started from Bihar, in Champaran, Bihar. Then it went to Kheda district of Gujarat. Then Ahmedabad. For the cotton mill workers, they also have their strikes. They did not wanted to pay taxes. So this new agitation of Satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi, which came into being in the path of truth. Then one more new thing has been implemented by the Britishers, that is Rowlatt Act. So, emboldened with the success of Satyagraha, Gandhiji in 1919 decided to launch a nationwide Satyagraha against the proposed Rowlatt Act in 1919. What is Rowlatt Act? Rowlatt Act is the act, Kanun, law made by the Britishers in which if the British wanted, they can arrest any person and keep in prison for 2 years without any trial. Without any trial. Now the question is which type of people? Any whomever the Britishers have any suspicion that he or she might be a dangerous or doing something illegal activity against the Britishers, talking against the Britishers, in that suspicion, without any trial, they can be put into jail for 2 years. So this is not good. So the people of India, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi in 1919, started Rowlatt, means started protesting against the Rowlatt Act. The Rowlatt Act was started by Britishers, and against it, the Indians have also came under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. So up to here today, I have taught two things. One is Satyagraha and the coming up of Rowlatt Act. What is the effect of this Rowlatt Act? It's very important. That I will go through in my next video.